If you're thinking about rolling over your 401k into an IRA, you're likely aware of how important it is to get it done correctly. A small mistake in the rollover process could lead to costly penalties, taxes, or even missed investment opportunities. So, how do you make sure your 401k rollover into an IRA is done right? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially as you approach retirement, there's a strategy I highly recommend for those who have a substantial amount saved up. I'll talk more about that later, but for now, let's start with the first thing you need to know when rolling over your 401k into an IRA. Timing. You have two options, direct or indirect rollover. The direct rollover is the safer and simpler of the two. With this method, your 401k plan provider sends the funds directly to the new IRA account, which means there's no risk of tax penalties. With an indirect rollover, you take the money out of your 401k and have 60 days to deposit it into your new IRA. If you miss that window, you'll be facing penalties and tax implications. So, it's crucial to get it right. The next step is choosing the right IRA for your rollover. This is where you'll want to do your homework. Traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, SEP IRAs, each of these has different tax advantages, but one of the most overlooked options, especially for American retirees, is the Gold IRA. Gold IRAs offer you the opportunity to protect your wealth by investing in gold and precious metals, a strategy that has been proven to help safeguard against inflation and economic downturns. If you're unsure which IRA is right for you, you can always consult a financial advisor, but make sure you're looking at all of your options, especially the Gold IRA. If you're looking for the best protection for your retirement, I highly recommend you check out the free Gold IRA guide in the description. It's helping thousands of Americans secure their retirement savings, and it could be the right next step for you. Now let's talk about fees. One of the biggest mistakes people make when rolling over their 401k is overlooking the fees that come with their new IRA account. Many traditional IRA providers charge annual fees, custodial fees, and other hidden costs that can eat into your savings. If you're planning on rolling over into a Gold IRA, those fees can be different, and some Gold IRA companies even offer to cover those fees for the first year. Always make sure to fully understand the fee structure before committing. Another important thing to consider is how your new IRA will be managed. Some IRAs allow you to self-direct your investments, meaning you can choose where your money goes. If you're rolling over into a Gold IRA, this gives you the ability to purchase physical gold or other precious metals. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, this can be a game changer. But not all IRA providers offer this option, so make sure you're looking at your choices carefully. As you're going through this process, make sure to check for any penalties associated with your 401k plan. Some 401k accounts will charge you fees for withdrawing funds early or for transferring out of the plan, especially if you're under 5912. These penalties can be avoided if you roll the funds over directly into an IRA, which is why the direct rollover is your safest bet. Finally, if you want to make sure that your 401k rollover into an IRA goes off without a hitch, make sure to stay organized. Keep track of all your paperwork, including the rollover forms and any confirmation emails from the institutions involved. And if you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted financial advisor or IRA specialist who can guide you through the process. Now, if you want to take things a step further and ensure you're making the best decision for your retirement, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide in the description. It's packed with insights into why thousands of American retirees are opening Gold IRAs to protect their wealth. It's especially perfect for people who have over 100k or more in their 401k or IRA, or even 5 Mem Pluses in savings. Don't miss out on this opportunity to safeguard your future. Thanks for watching.